You don't watch any of the YouTube, huh?
Pardon me?
You don't watch any of the YouTube, huh? Any of the YouTube videos?
No.
No, you should check it out. The video that's being posted today, which is from last time I was here, yeah, you're in it. We're talking about cats.
Yeah, everybody said they were just laughing their asses off, bro.
Yeah. We're talking about your cats, remember?
What?
We're talking about your dog, Mr. Wiggles.
Mr. Wiggles?
Yeah.
That's my 20 years living in the same place, Josh. Happened to fall on Wiggles' birthday. What about him?
We were talking about it, remember?
No, yeah, it was his birthday.
Yeah, that part's in the video.
All right, what's up, y'all? Welcome to this month's edition of Build. Oh, that's not even Build Breakdown. Damn. Oh yeah. What's up, y'all? Welcome to this month's edition of Shop Talk. Right now, we got a gang of old school projects plus motor swaps, LS swaps, some nice suspension. You fucking piece of shit, man. Why you bothering me? Huh? Hey, just wash your hands in the bucket. Wash your hands. Anyway, back to it. So right behind me, we're gonna get right to it. We got Ron's 58 Impala, drivetrain, frame, and suspension. So let's check it out. We got a 5.3 LS motor, which has already been color matched, which we did previously to the color of the car. We're gonna probably end up changing the color to a lighter of a pink tone, just because this is for his project, Fuck Cancer. All right, as you see this lovely frame, powder coated in pink, all right? Whew. Now to the good part. So like we told you previously, this car is gonna be on bags. It is a lowrider setup, but it's going on bags just because he wanted to be a smooth cruiser. So we went ahead, boxed all the control arms in, the trailing arms, and went ahead and chromed everything out. So as you see right here, chrome rear lower arms, chrome bag mounts, chrome rear arms, chrome sway bar, just everything on this thing is candy and chrome. All right, so enjoy. Oh, you piece of shit. Right here we got Limber. Get ready to prep this Challenger for some color. Car was hit on the passenger front fender. We're going to blend the front bumper, paint the front fender, blend the hood, and blend the passenger side door. Love this color too. So right here on Project Monte Carlo SS, we were waiting for the wheels to get in so we could finish the metal work, and guess what? They've arrived. 2-footers, AKA 24s. Custom 3-piece wheels, chrome finish with color match windows to match the color of the car. Right now we just got the wheels on, got to test fit them. We're gonna end up having to notch the frame to clear for, notch the front of the frame to clear for turning radius. We already notched the rear, so we gotta just throw the rears on, but wait till you see this thing in it with the LSA motor and blower. Game over, game over. All right. All right, update on Pops' 240Z. Last time we talked about, I think we just dropped the motor in. Now we got some real good progress, all right? Radiators in, electric fans are in, intake, custom intake is done and routed. We made a nice little strut bar for the front to tie in the front end a little bit, because you know, the LS motor thing gonna be putting down some power. Come to the inside. Yeah, the homies at Mayhem Metalworks tied in a nice little cage for us, just to keep him safe when he's out there. I know he ain't gonna drive it like that, but you know, just in case. Fully TIG welded, and then ran brace bars to the rear. And then, you can't see it because it's on the ground anyway, but we did a full stainless exhaust from the headers back using a vibrant muffler, all 3-inch piping as well. On to the next one. Just moving like fluid motion. Got Mondo over here on the G35, installing airlift air ride setup. Airlift performance, that is 3-piece setups going on this one. Come check out the suspension, because he already got that in. That's cool. Josh is young, he got good legs. Front struts are in, he's running the hard lines right now, so we can actually get this thing off the lift, and then we got a nice little setup for the trunk of this one, so stay tuned for that. Yeah, I'm gonna have Vlad crank this one up in a minute, but he's been going a ham on this thing right now. Come in close, you know? God damn, boy. The beautiful VTEC motor is coming to life, all right? We got the whole fuel system plumb, waiting on the tank right now. The Vortex blowers installed. Got all the hard lines done for the gearbox. Headers in, Mondo's got to finish up the exhaust. Granatelli plug wires. But you know what? Wait, what cam we running this thing? I forgot. It's a baby cam, but like, you know, a little VTEC motor pushing a little bit of thing. Give us 1 second, we're gonna get this thing open real quick. That shit fucking nice, dog. That fucking cam, fool, it sounds more aggressive each time.
Yeah, this shit nice.
Crazy, right?
Josh complaining that it's heavy though.
Yeah, hold it for 30 minutes.
No, you ain't lifting enough then.
You can do it.
No, I lift it with one hand.
Yeah, you can lift it with one hand easy. But holding it for a while, that's a whole different story.
What's up with the ones that they use for the sports and shit? You know that they go around the
that's the
front?
one,
that's
what he had before.
That's
no, the one that you had like this. It's a little update on Project Jeep. So this frame on this was a 4-door chassis out of, what is it, like a 2015 JK? Same thing with the fucking motor. And we ended up shortening this whole frame by like 14 inches to fit the body of this 87. So yeah, it was a little bit of work, but frame came with bigger axles, lift, lockers, all that stuff. So on this Jeep, it's gonna be fucking nice when it's done. Oh shit, plus we got the cage in there too. All right, so now we got the motor in it. We got the radiator, got some mounts for the radiator. We gotta get the radiator installed, the intercooler, and all the lines ran for that. We got the master cylinder in, proportioning valve, all the hard lines done for the brakes, the seats in, front and rear bumpers, doors, tying up some of the electrical issues for the computer and wiring, and hopefully be able to fire this thing up in the next couple weeks, break it all down, send it to Rhino Lining to get this whole thing sprayed in like a Nardo gray.
He had 3 other dogs to keep him company.
Really?
And he didn't want to go home. That's a trip.
He just liked hanging out with you?
Yeah.
So you didn't even want Mr. Wiggles?
Who?
You didn't want Mr. Wiggles?
No, I liked him. I liked him hanging out, but
You didn't like choose him?
What?
You didn't choose him?
I didn't. He chose me.
Uh-huh.
That's the weird part. That's the trip.
Yeah.
I was working a lot at the time. This was 5 years ago. And I tried to pawn him off on a couple other people that I knew. And he wouldn't have it.
Really?
He raised his little paw and he went like this. I'm staying here.
Appreciate y'all tuning in to this week or this month's edition of Shop Talk. A lot of action going down and a lot of projects getting worked on. Next month we got two builds that we've been kind of prepping since last year. They're gonna come in, an IROC Camaro and then an OBS Chevy, which those things are gonna be crazy, but stay tuned, all right? Peace.